Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratishtha Mudgal and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about the products that I have been using from quite some time and they have made into my June's favorite list. So you're gonna be seeing some skincare, hair care and makeup products and a mini review about them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first we are gonna start with the hair care products. Now the first one that I have is a shampoo. This is from L'Oreal and it's their Siri Expert Vitamino Color Shampoo. As my hair is color treated right now, that's why I've chose this one from the series. They have more variants of this one. Now generally I don't use shampoos for particularly color treated hair, but as this time I was like loving my hair color so much, and you know this red mahogany color fades so fast, so I was like, okay, let me use one this time. And let me tell you, I am highly impressed with this product. Now this one did not dry out my hair so much as generally happens, you know, after the color treatment. This claims to give you 5x times shine. I won't say it gives 5x shine, but yeah, it did give some shine to my hair after every single wash. And I must tell you, my color is fading so slowly this time. Generally it fades away so fast. So I would highly recommend this shampoo if you are having color treated hair or if you are going to have one. This is a great shampoo to buy. Otherwise you can try the different ones from the same category, you know, this Siri Expert. I would highly recommend this one. The second product that I have is this hair oil. This is from Senbotanica and this is their Moroccan Argan hair oil. This contains argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, rosemary oil, tea tree oil.
Oh my god, it has so many things.
I'm not gonna do a claim here, but ever since I'm using it, I literally felt some reduction in my hair fall. Generally I have so much, so I think this has worked for me. And you can clearly see I've already finished the whole bottle of this. And ये बहुत thicky भी नहीं है texture में. Generally hair oils are thicky in texture, you know, but this is just not so. It feels so light after applying this one, and literally that is the best thing I like to be in a hair, because I just can't stand that thickiness, you know. Now this one also claims to give healthy, strong and shiny hair. Okay, so no for shiny hair, but yes for strongness. This says it's free from parabens, silicons, mineral oils and is cruelty free and vegan. So I think that's a plus point as well. By the way, its smell is also not so mild and not so strong, you know, so it's like okay, you can stand this one. So overall, I would highly recommend this product as well, and I think you should totally give this one a try at least for one time. Okay, so moving on to the skincare products now. So the first one that I have is this rose water from Kama Ayurveda. Now I think that this one is little expensive, you know, but having said that, market में जो cheap ones available है, they does not contain the pure rose water, you know. They just have either fragrance or just little bit of extract, you know. So to need a pure one, you actually have to invest this much at least. And it really has a good aroma as well. It is so mild. The rose water is supposed to hydrate your skin and also it works as a toner as well. I also felt a subtle glow in my skin after using it for a certain period of time. So I've completely finished this bottle right here and I will purchase it in the future as well, as right now I'm trying a different one from the Forest Essentials, for which I'll give the review later. This one used to retail for 300 actually, but right now it's marked at rupees 395. I'm not sure, I think the prices are high now. Anyways, if you're in search of a rose water or a toner, you should truly give this one a try and you will love the results. Okay, so my next favorite item is this moisturizing cream from Dr. Reddy's. It's their Phoenicia Derm Face and Body Moisturizing Cream. Now I don't know why many people are not using this cream, but I really think that this cream deserves a big shout out. I've already used 2 bottles of it, you can see, and I am gonna purchase a third one. This is so moisturizing that I really don't feel the need of applying it for like the whole day again. It stays on for the whole day. It also says that it's free from paraben, alcohol, mineral oils, and it contains shea butter, aloe butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. Oh my god. Just love this cream, you know. I've used it in the mornings, used it in the night, and it leaves the skin very
supple, you know, supple skin.
The only catch is that it is not for oily skin people. So sorry my oily skin girls, but it is for normal to dry skin people. All my dry skin girls, oh my god, you are gonna love this cream. It beautifully moisturizes the skin. If you're someone who has very dry skin, they also have a max variant of this for you, and I'm gonna list down both of them actually, so you can choose the one. Now the next product that I have is this lip balm. So the next product that I have is this lip balm from Wadi, and it is so moisturizing, you know. It stays for whole night and its smell is so good. It comes in so many variants, and I've tried the strawberry one and the orange one. I like the orange one more because it says that it has shea butter in it, although I love the smell of the strawberry one more. This is also so cheap and is easily available in the market in any online site. So yeah, big thumbs up for this one, and I think you should totally give this one a try. I'm also gonna be attaching all the links that I'm gonna be telling you, so you can easily take it from there. So I've completely finished both the tubs of this lip balm here, and trust me on this, generally या तो मेरी lip balm खो जाती है या I don't end up finishing it. This is a great lip balm to invest in. Moving on to the next category, that is makeup, and I have to mention my favorite lipstick, that is this lipstick from Faces Canada, and this one is in the shade 01 Forsec Beauty. Oh my god, I just love this shade. I'm gonna attach a picture of me wearing the same shade somewhere on the screen. I think that it complements my skin tone so well, so beautifully, and it's also not so expensive, you know. It just retails for some $300 and generally it runs on discounts every now and then. It says that it's matte, but I don't think it's a totally matte formulation. थोड़ा सा creamy है, but it is close to matte, and I actually don't have any problem with it. It also says that it has almond, jojoba and vitamin E oil. I think all those are like plus points to me. I anyways love this shade. Highly recommend this one. And if you're nearby my skin tone, it will complement you like anything. So just go for this one. Just go for this one. So the next item that I have is this eyebrow pencil from Etude House, and this is in the shade 01 dark brown. Okay, so इसको लेने से पहले I was little skeptical, you know, because it was little expensive and I was like, that shade will turn out the same or not. But then I thought, okay, let's just give it one try. The shade, oh my god, it turned out to be so good, you know. It just gives a very natural look to your brows, you know. Obviously, you can build it up if you want more, but then I literally love a natural look and I just fell in love with this color. This one is little creamy in texture, so it does not dry out the skin, you know. This part also stays hydrated. So the best part about this pencil is that one side it has this eyebrow color, and one side it has this spoolie as well, so you don't need to carry two different products, you know. It is so travel friendly as well, so I think you can totally try this one out. So please like this video and comment that which product did you like and wanna try out, and also you can suggest some product to me if you want a review on that. So that is it for June, guys, and I'll be releasing this type of video every single month, so please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.